Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. Real programs talk to the outside world. They read files, swap data as JSON, and take input from the command line. Today, all three. Module 13, 3 practical skills. Reading and writing files the modern way. Moving data in and out as JSON, and turning your script into a real command line tool that takes arguments. 3 things: you'll read and write files with pathlib cleanly. You'll turn data into JSON and back. And you'll take arguments from the command line. So your script becomes a proper tool. Files first. Forget the old open and close dance for simple cases. Pylo gives you read text and write text. Right on the path. Point at a file, read its text. Point at another, write text out. Clean, and it just works. Now, JSON, the format the whole web speaks. JSON loads takes a string of JSON and turns it into a Python dictionary. JSON dumps goes the other way, turning your dictionary back into text to save or send. 2 functions, endless use. And arguments. The args module lets your script accept input from the terminal. Declare a name argument, parse it, and now running your app with a name just works. You've built a real command line tool. Sarah here. Watch it all come together. Parse the arguments, read the file the user named, load it as JSON, and report how many records came in. Files, JSON, and a command line. A real tool in a handful of lines. And that's files, JSON, and command lines. You can read, write, exchange data, and take input. Next time, testing with pathlib, the thing that lets you change code without fear. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.